In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect your Google account to Salesforce so you can see your Google Calendar in Salesforce. The first thing that we will do is go to the top right. You'll see this bear icon if you haven't uploaded a profile image. Go ahead and click that and hit Settings. Then in the quick find in the top left, go ahead and search for Connected Accounts. And we want to go down to Email and Calendar Accounts. Here you can see that I'm already connected. If for some reason I need to reset, what I do is I go to disconnect. I go ahead and hit disconnect. This is saying that all events and emails that are currently synced will not be lost. But in the future, if I'm not connected, they won't go into my account. So here you'd hit disconnect and that will disconnect you. For resetting purposes, go ahead and hit reconnect. And you'll reconnect at the top option. And you don't see this here, but I am selecting my work email and I'm simply going through that authentication process. If you need to assign any privileges, go ahead and do so now or accept that. So I went through that and I am connected now. If you're not looking to reset and just simply add your account, go ahead and click New Account. And it will be the same process here. Connect your Google account. You'll be prompted to log into your work Google. Go ahead and do that and assign all the privileges needed to do so. Once you've done that, then you will have the same view that I have here. You'll see that your company account is successfully connected.